My dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. In previous class, we discussed parts of speech. In part, pronoun. I am Sushanta Kumar Rai, Assistant Teacher, SM Model Cup High School, Gopalganj. Welcome to my class for class 6010 English second paper. Now, I am going to discuss parts of speech and in part adjective. Now look, parts of speech. In parts of speech, adjective is a part. Now look, adjective. At first, what is adjective? What is adjective? The part of speech that modifies a noun or a pronoun in a sentence is called the adjective. Adjective. What is adjective? The part of speech that modifies a noun or a pronoun in a sentence is called the adjective. Another change. An adjective is a word which tells about quality, quantity, position, condition, number of a noun or pronoun. That is adjective. Modifier is very most important word in this sentence, modifier. Now look, he is a good boy. This is a sentence. Now look, this is a sentence, but in this sentence here boy, in this sentence here boy, noun. Now look, here good, omit good. He is a boy. This is a correct sentence. Yes, he is a boy. This is a correct sentence. But if we now look, here omit boy, he is a good, is a correct sentence? No, it is sure it is not correct sentence. But now look, sorry, here he is a good boy. This is a correct sentence. In this sentence, here boy, noun, but in this sentence good. What is good? What is good? Now look, what is good? In this sentence, good is adjective because here good modify boy. Here good modify boy. So here good adjective. Okay, my dear students. Now look, this is a table. Basically two kinds of adjective, attributive and predicative. He is a rich man. He is a rich man. Here man, rich modify. Modify man. Next, Bina is intelligent. In this sentence, only here intelligent. This intelligent modify Bina. Okay, but previous sentence, that is he is a rich man, here rich modify man. But Bina is intelligent, here intelligent modify Bina. Okay, so after adjective there is no noun, there is adjective no noun. This adjective modifier first subject, but after adjective noun modifier noun, here attributive and modify noun, but predicative there is adjective, there is no noun. Next sentence, he wrote a black, he wore a black shirt. Here black adjective, shirt noun. Then the paper is thin. Here thin, after thin, here thin adjective, but after thin no adjective, no noun. So it is predicative. Have you understood, my dear students? Okay, my dear students. Basically, four kinds of adjective. Now we are going to discuss four kinds of adjective. Now look, adjective of quality or descriptive adjective, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and pronominal adjective. Another adjective you can find, that is adjective of relative. Adjective of relative. Now look, we are going to discuss and details adjective of quality at first. Adjective of quality shows the quality of a person or things. That is, quality or modify or a noun or a things or a person or things. Now look, Bina is a good girl. Here, girl noun, but good modify good girl. Here, good adjective and adjective of quality. Next, the tiger is very strong. Here, strong, very. You are a bad boy. Here, bad adjective of, here adjective of quality. This is adjective of quality. Here American, adjective of quality. Okay. Next, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity shows the quality of a things, not quantity of things. Sorry, quantity of things or a person. Basically, mass, if you find in a sentence mass, little, whole, some, no, none, enough, sufficient, all, half, insufficient, these are adjective of quantity. I need mass money. Here mass adjective of quantity. There is little water in the jar. Here, little, adjective of quantity. The whole class laughed out. Here, whole, adjective of quantity. Okay, now here mass, adjective, but noun, money. In serial number B, if we find little, adjective, but water, noun. Or here little modify water. Whole class. Here whole, adjective of quantity, and class, noun. Give me some salt or sugar. Here some, adjective of quantity. Here salt or sugar, this is noun, and some modify this noun. Okay. Next, do you have any books of poetry? No, I have none. Here none, adjective of quantity. I have no pens. Here no, adjective of quantity. There was not enough rain last year. Here last, here enough, adjective of quantity. Next, babies need sufficient milk. Here sufficient, milk, noun, but sufficient, adjective of quantity. The cat drank of all the milk. Here all, adjective of quantity. Half of a loaf is better than no loaf. Here half, adjective of quantity. Next, there is no water in the mug. Here no, adjective of quantity. He has enough money, adjective. But now look, very interesting things. He has good enough to help me. He was good enough to help me. Here not enough, adjective. Here enough, adverb. Here enough, adverb. Because when enough is used before a noun, it is called adjective, but when it is used after an adjective, it is called an adverb. Now very important things, here enough, adjective, because after enough, money, noun. In previous time we discussed noun, adjective plus noun, after adjective, noun. So in this sentence, enough, adjective, and money, noun. So here enough, adjective of quantity. But serial number B, he was good enough to help me. In this sentence, after enough, there is no noun. There is no noun. But before enough, you can find good a word. This is good, adjective. In this sentence, enough not adjective. In this sentence, enough adverb. Okay, my dear students, have you any confusion? Okay. Next, serial number 3. Numeral adjective or adjective of number. Adjective of number. Numeral adjective shows how many person or things are meant or in what order a person or a thing stands. Now look, number. I don't have a single paisa. Here single, numeral adjective or adjective of number. Sabina is the third girl in the class. Here third, adjective. Few girls can sing well. Here few, numeral adjective. Okay, my dear student. Next, very this is a chart. You can a table. You can see a table. Uh, there are three kinds of adjective of number. cardinal, ordinal, multiplicate. In Bangla, Bengali second paper or Bangla ব্যাকরণ, বাংলা ব্যাকরণে কিন্তু এখানে একটা খুব মজার জিনিস আছে। আমরা যেটা জানি সেটা হচ্ছে এরকম একটা আছে জিনিস, এটাকে বলে অঙ্ক। এরকম একটু আছে, এটা আমরা জানি 1 লিখেছি। এবার আবার এটা আছে ফার্স্ট লিখতে পারি, আবার এটাকে আবার বলে পহেলা বলে। পহেলা, পহেলা বৈশাখ আমরা বলি। এটা হলো তারিখবাচক শব্দ। সেখানে বাংলা দ্বিতীয় পত্রে এরকম একটা বিষয় আছে। এই যে 1 আছে এটাকে হলো অঙ্কবাচক বলা হয়। হুম, সংখ্যা শব্দবাচক, তারপরে বলা হয় ক্রমবাচক, তারপরে বলা হয় তারিখবাচক। কিন্তু ইংরেজিতে অবশ্যই এখানে একটু পার্থক্য আছে। 3 প্রকার: কার্ডিনাল, অর্ডিনাল অ্যান্ড মাল্টিপ্লিকেট। কার্ডিনাল 1, অর্ডিনাল ফার্স্ট অ্যান্ড মাল্টিপ্লিকেট সিঙ্গল। কার্ডিনালে 2, অর্ডিনালে সেকেন্ড, মাল্টিপ্লিকেট ডাবল or twofold. Cardinale 3, ordinale third, multiplicate threefold or trifold, triple. Cardinale 4, ordinale fourth, multiplicate fourfold. Cardinale 5, ordinale fifth and multiplicate fivefold. Okay, there is difference you can find cardinal, ordinal and multiplicate. Okay. Cardinal, ordinal and multiple. This is number of adjective of number or numeral adjective. Above the table there are some adjectives. These are definite number adjective, numeral adjectives. Some, all, many, enough, several, few, no. These are indefinite numeral adjective. These are used before countable noun and they are indefinite numeral adjective. Now look what is different between quantitative adjective and numeral adjective. Now look, very easy. All, some, many, enough, several, few, no plus uncountable noun. Uncountable noun, this is quantitative adjective. But some, all, many, enough, several, few, no countable noun, then this word will be numeral adjective. Now you can see a chart or table, quantitative adjective and numeral adjective. The cat drank of all the milk. Here all, here all the milk. After all, here milk, uncountable. So these all quantitative adjective. But all books are written by Sir Jafar Iqbal. Here after all books, noun, or that is countable noun. Then all will be numeral adjective. Okay, my dear students, have you any confusion? Please say yes or no. Next, there is no water in the mug. Here, no, after no water, noun. But next, noun, but uncountable noun. That is uncountable noun or material noun. But here no pens. After no, pens noun, but countable noun. So it is numeral adjective. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Any confusion? Any question here? Okay, serial number 4, pronominal adjective. What is pronominal adjective? Pronoun, pronoun plus noun. The pronoun plus noun. After pronoun noun, the pronoun will be pronominal adjective. After pronoun plus noun, after pronoun noun, the pronoun will be pronominal adjective. Now look, this book is mine. Here, do is demonstrative pronoun, but here books noun. Here books noun. In this sentence, the book is mine. In this sentence, here this not demonstrative pronoun. Here this demonstrative adjective. But why? After this book noun. In previous time I told you after pronoun noun the pronoun will be adjective. That adjective. So these we know that these, that, those, these are demonstrative pronoun. After this, that, those pronoun noun, thus the pronoun this, that, those will be demonstrative adjective. Okay, so this book is mine. Here this adjective, not pronoun. Okay, my dear students. Now look, pronominal adjective, demonstrative pronoun, pronominal adjective, four kinds of demonstrative, pronominal adjective, demonstrative adjective. These, that, these, those, plus noun, plus dot dot. This is demonstrative pronoun. This pen is mine. Here, this is my pen. This in my. This is my pen. Here, in this sentence, this demonstrative pronoun. But in this sentence, serial number 5A, this pen is mine. Here, this demonstrative adjective. Next, that building was made in 1990. Here, that demonstrative adjective, because after that building noun. So the demonstrative pronoun will be demonstrative adjective. Next, serial number C. She bought three things. She bought these things. Here, this demonstrative pronoun, but things noun. So after pronoun noun, the pronoun will be demonstrative adjective. Here this demonstrative adjective. Those frogs are cracky. Here those demonstrative adjective. Okay. Acha. My dear students, now distributive adjective is every, either, neither, now, noun plus verb. This is demonstrative, distributive adjective. Now look, is boy has a pen. Here is, after is boy noun. So here is not distributive pronoun. Here is distributive adjective, because here is distributive pronoun, but then boy noun. So distributive adjective is a distributive pronoun plus noun. Distributive pronoun will be distributive adjective. Next, here is has a pen. Here is distributive pronoun, because after is has no noun. Next, every mother loves her child. Here every, then mother noun. So here every distributive adjective. There are trees on either bank of the pond. Here the distributive adjective. There are two pens, but neither pens will do. Here neither distributive adjective, because after neither pen noun. Distributive adjective here neither. Next interrogative adjective. After who is hot plus noun, the who is hot interrogative pronoun. After interrogative pronoun who is hot noun, interrogative pronoun will be adjective. Interrogative adjective. Here which pen do you want? Which pen do you want? Here which interrogative pronoun, but pen noun. So after pronoun noun will be adjective. What class do you read in? Here what interrogative pronoun, but class noun. So after pronoun noun, the pronoun will be adjective. So what interrogative pronoun and class noun. So here what interrogative adjective. Okay, any question? My dear students, next serial number 4. Now look, possessive adjective. Possessive, my, your, her, his, their. After this noun, the possessive will be adjective. Now look, my pen is red. Here my possessive, then pen noun. So here my possessive adjective. I love your parents very much. Here parents noun, but your possessive. So here possessive adjective. Her father is a teacher. Her, here her possessive adjective. I went to his school yesterday. I went to his school yesterday. Here his possessive adjective, because his school noun. So here his possessive adjective. Then they have come back the village. They are possessive. Okay. Next, relative adjective. Relative adjective. Relative adjective. Who is hot, whose plus noun. Noun. Then it will be relative adjective. This is which book you gave me. This is which book you gave me. Here who is relative, but book relative pronoun who is, but book noun. After relative book noun, so here relative pronoun will be relative adjective. He gave me hot shoes. Hot shoes I wanted. Here what relative pronoun, but shoes noun. So here what relative adjective. Okay. Next, emphasizing adjective. He will come this very day. Here very adjective, because noun day. I want this very every sorry okay, my dear students, adjective, four kinds of basically adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number or numeral adjective, and pronominal adjective. Have you any confusion? Any question here? Okay. Goodbye my students. Next class we will discuss adverb. Okay, next class we will discuss adverb. Then have any question, have any confusion in this lesson, that is adjective, you have to question some. Okay, my dear students, God bless you. Best of luck.